Welcome to Geotrail, where every step leads to adventure. In this video, we're diving into the world of lakes, how they are different from rivers and oceans, and where we can find them. Sounds exciting, right? Then what are we waiting for? Let's dive into the kiddie pool. Yes, you heard it right. We'll use 3 types of pools to explore what lakes are, how they differ from rivers and oceans, and how they are formed. What is a lake? I am a lake. Imagine a kiddie pool that sits in the ground. I stay still and cozy, and my water doesn't move unless you splash it. You can often find cute little animals like frogs, ducks, and turtles happily floating in me. How lakes are different from rivers and oceans. Imagine you're sitting in a tube on a water slide. The water is always moving and flowing. That's like a river. It goes from one place to another, like from mountains to the sea. Rivers are not empty. They provide food and shelter to animals that live in fresh, moving water, such as fish like trout, salmon, and crocodiles. Now think about the ocean. It's like a giant wave pool at the water park. The waves go up and down, and the water is salty. Oceans are super deep and full of amazing creatures. Some are small, like octopuses and clownfish, and some are really big, like blue whales, sharks, and dolphins. Where lakes are found in the world. Now that we know what a lake is, let's start our lake hunt. Where in the world can we find lakes? Let's pretend you're flying like a bird, way up in the sky. When you look down, you'll see shiny little water spots. Those are lakes. And guess what? You can find lakes almost everywhere on Earth. Let's discuss where we can find them. Some lakes are hiding in quiet forests or between tall, snowy mountains. Only hikers, campers, and maybe a few deer know they're there. These lakes are great places to go camping, hiking, or just enjoy nature. Yes, some lakes live in the middle of hot, dry deserts. But these lakes are usually salty, and sometimes they dry up when the weather is too hot. Lots of lakes are near where people live. Families go there to fish, go boating, or have picnics by the water. They're fun and easy to visit. In very cold parts of the world, for example, Canada, lakes freeze in winter. When the water turns to ice, people can skate on them like ice rinks. Pretty cool, right? Now that we know what lakes are and where to find them, you'll remember they're more than just water. They're everywhere. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your backpack and let's go explore some lakes. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.